Officers say that pilot was the only person on board when it crashed near the train tracks this afternoon. The pilot was taken to a nearby hospital where he was treated for unspecified injuries. The Los Angeles Fire Department says there were no other injuries other than a minor fuel spill that was contained by firefighters. And weather specialist Traci Hale is here with us this evening. Now, it's getting very cold, but even colder for the morning.
That's right. We're going to want to bundle up. Every layer you can put on, you are going to want for the next couple of mornings. In fact, we're going to be looking at wind chill readings that are going to be very chilly. So a cold start is definitely something you want to keep in mind as you head out the door and you send the kids out as well. It's going to be dry, so that is some good news. We won't be dealing with any precipitation, and we do have some chances for snow at this point. No real accumulation, but I will show you that showing up in our forecast in just a few. Right now, we're going to look at our overnight forecast because it's a chilly one, dropping down to 15 degrees. That's the actual temperature. Clouds are continuing to break. We're losing that insulation, and when you add in some strong winds, it's going to feel even colder than that. Here's how the readings are shaping up at this hour. Right now in Arcanum, it's 21. West Milton, you're at 24. A little bit warmer in Trotwood at 25. Bellbrook's at 22. Those clearing skies continuing to move through, and that is allowing the temperatures to drop down even quicker in some area. Now the winds are out of the west-northwest and they're continuing to pick up, and we're seeing some pretty strong gusts. 19 in Urbana, 18 in Troy, 19 in Sydney as well. So when you combine those strong winds and the cold temperatures, that's when we start looking at the wind chill index, because it gives us a little better accurate reading for what you can expect as you head out the door. So when you head out the door tomorrow morning, you are going to want the gloves, you're going to want the jacket. What you don't need is the rain gear. The reason you're going to need all of that heavy winter wear is because it's going to feel very chilly. This is Monday, 7 a.m., so just about 7 hours from now, it's going to feel like nearly 1 degrees in the northern part of the Miami Valley. Lots of readings right around 1. Here in the Dayton area, it will feel like 5, and it could have some wind gusts that make it even feel a little bit cooler for moments here or there. As we move through the afternoon, we will see a little bit of sun and cloud combination, but it's not going to warm things up. The feels like temperature at noon, how about that? Most of us still in the single digits, just in the extreme portions of the Miami Valley to the south. They'll at least feel like 10 degrees. Here in the Dayton area, it will feel like 8. Doesn't get much warmer during the afternoon. Then we start to cool down again for the evening. Still going to feel very chilly out there. And again on Tuesday morning, it's going to start out cold, but we are going to have some improving conditions. We'll see the sunshine, and we'll also start to see the winds die down. So that will be very good news for your Tuesday. The feel-like temperature and the actual temperatures will be just a little bit closer. Even better news, how about temperatures in the 40s? That's where we are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now Friday we start to see some precipitation move in, but not until the second half of the day. So here is our 7-day forecast, and it does start out very chilly. 15 degrees is the actual temperature tomorrow morning. 9 degrees the actual temperature on Tuesday. Both days we top out in the 20s. Wednesday and Thursday, that's when those temperatures take a big boost up to the 40s. We stay there through the end of the week. Chance of rain, snow mix on Friday night and into Saturday morning. And then on Sunday, it's cold but dry.
All right, thank you, Traci. And with those cold temperatures you just saw, you may be tempted to leave your car running to warm up, but